Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lesego Seloane and I am an environmentalist, entrepreneur and the daughter of this amazing African soil. And on my platform you get to see everything green, everything entrepreneurial and everything just about in between. Check it out. Kondani ke mo sendetse statements mo skhona are statements tsa bona are ke mo sharele statement e bontshang proof of address. So the brief of this garden was that the client wanted it to be neat and very, very low maintenance. And since she travels a lot, she just needed it to be very simple but sublime and beautiful. Lines, order, things must be just in their place. Pretty sterile, but really, really amazing for all your Instagram pictures and enjoying a space that is green but very beautiful.
Thomas. Yeah, put cobbles, but you don't put cobbles around this bed. Yeah.
So the client wanted white or black pots. Let me know what you would have chosen and wait till the end of the video to see what the client actually went with. Just a few planting tips. So always dig deep enough for you to allow for the plant to develop some roots, and give the plant some love as you gently remove it out of the pot that it was in or the plastic that it was in, and make sure you don't forget to water. Very simple. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's be honest, this is amazing. Check the left, check the right. It's beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments section. So the client went with 3 black pots at front and 3 white ones at the back. Green hearts everywhere.